Hi there. Welcome to Not Just Carrots by MyEyeDr. I'm Dr. Florian Safner from Alexandria, Virginia.
And I'm Dr. Tracey Glendenning from Wilmington, North Carolina. And even though we're optometrists, we're also foodies. So we're here today to share some of our eye-healthy recipes with you.
There are so many recipes out there that are amazing for your eyes that are not just carrots.
And it doesn't matter time of day. We can incorporate these foods into our meals containing lutein, vitamin A, and vitamin E.
So today, Tracey and I are going to show you how to make some really simple eye-healthy recipes. Let's get started. So today we're going to show you how to make a simple, easy, and delicious eye-healthy breakfast. It's called Creamy Orange Cherry Oatmeal, and it's loaded with eye-healthy vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc. Let's get started. Wow, that is really good.
It is delicious. I can see why people love this recipe. So click here for full details. It's not only awesome, but it's eye healthy.
We hope you've had as much fun as we've had. So I'm Florian.
And I'm Tracey.
And be on the lookout for more eye-healthy recipes from MyEyeDr. Take care.